Hello, this is Mrs. Cooper with the weekly update for the week of August 20th, 2021. Here are some upcoming events. Thursday, September 9th, we will have an elementary parent training on safety, social emotional learning, and strategies to help your child with online learning. This training will take place at 4:30 p.m. in the elementary cafeteria. Family STEM Night is Wednesday, October 6, 2021, from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. For STEM Night, the South Florida Science Museum brings tons of hands-on experiences to our secondary campus for all of our K-12 students and their families to interact with. Admission is free, and we will sell pizza, soda, and chips as a fundraiser. Come hungry. Please join us. Atlantis Family Skate Night fundraiser will be Thursday, October 14th from 6 to 8:30 p.m. This is a very popular fundraiser for the whole family. Atlantis Gateway will be closed to the public and only open to K-12 PBMA families. Atlantis Gateway is located at 3100 Jog Road in Green Acres, and admission will be $7 cash per person. Nurse Bobby asked me to inform kindergarten, first, and third grade parents that she will begin screenings for vision, hearing, and BMI next week. Here's a message from our administration.
Hello, welcome to Palm Beach Maritime Academy Secondary Campus. I'm Mrs. Powell, the assistant principal, and I'd like to welcome all of our new families and students, but most especially our 6th and 9th graders. Today I'd like to give you a few tips for success in both 6th and 9th grade. First and most importantly, come to school every day. Secondly, communication. Communication is super important. Communicate with your teachers, your parents, myself as the assistant principal, our dean, Ms. Woodside. Communicate with us. If there's something you need, if there's something that's not quite right, send us a Jupiter Ed message. Jupiter Ed works just like email. Tip number 3, try hard. Try your best. Everybody's best is different, but if you try your best, you'll meet with success. And number 4, practice, practice, practice. Practice makes progress. If you keep practicing, you'll get where you need to be. Remember, my name is Mrs. Powell. I'm the assistant principal, and I'm here to help. Once again, welcome to PBMA.
Hello, parents. I'm Mr. Holligan, the elementary assistant principal. I know the beginning of the school year can be an emotional time. I have a child that just started school, so I understand. To keep the flow of traffic flowing in the morning car line, please move all the way up to the car in front of you or to the line. Also, please have your child ready to exit the car with their backpack, their mask, and their lunchbox in hand. Do not exit the car. Staff will assist as needed. So please, thank you and have a wonderful day.
We'd like to introduce you to some additional important staff members that will be working with your student this year.
Hi, I'm Ms. Costello. I'm the Single School Culture Coordinator. I'm looking forward to a fantastic year this year. We are going to promote a positive school environment as well as a positive school culture. We look forward to seeing your students grow academically and socially, as well as sharing their strengths and talents with their classmates and their fellow friends. Have a great time. If you need anything, please reach out to us by email or phone call. Thanks again, Ms. Costello, Palm Beach Maritime.
Hello, my name is Tarisha Williams-Harper. I'm a licensed mental health therapist here at PBMA, the elementary campus. My role as a therapist is to help in supporting the school-wide positive behavioral plan and also to identify mental health issues and counseling students who are in need. You can email me at twilliams@pbmalantana.org.
Hi, I'm Nurse Bobby. I'm the school nurse at the Palm Beach Maritime Academy Elementary School. I'm here to take care of your children when they're not feeling well or they get boo-boos, and I communicate with the parents. Parents will be contacted to pick up children when they're not feeling well or if there's a severe injury. I'm always free to answer parent questions regarding health matters, so feel free to call me.
Hello, PBMA family. My name is Dee. I work at the front desk. I speak Creole and French. So if you have any questions, if you want to see someone that you need help with, I can always help you. We are here for you. Welcome to a great year. Allô, moi souhaite nous bienvenue dans l'école Palm Beach Maritime Academy. Moi relé dit, moi parler créole et moi parler français. Si vous besoin d'aide, nous on peut toujours aider, OK? Moi souhaite nous passer un bon agréable année pour l'école scolaire là. Merci.
Hi, my name is Meg, and I am the front desk receptionist here at PBMA Elementary. Hola, me llamo Migdalia. Y yo estoy trabajando al frente, que yo te puedo ayudar en lo que necesitas.
Hello, PBMA. It's Officer Joe. I'm your Safe School Officer. I want to congratulate everyone on the first couple of days of school. Let's have a safe, great rest of the year.
Ms. Colgan's 8th grade science students went through the steps of the scientific method to see if soap repels germs. The germs are represented by food coloring in milk. Ms. Kiernan's 3rd graders also conducted a science experiment. They wanted to see if a paper cylinder could support a number of books. But more importantly, it was a positivity lesson for a love of learning and teamwork that helps us learn. Ms. Salazano's 2nd graders learned about sea turtles for Maritime Mondays. This is how to subscribe to our YouTube and Facebook channels.
To follow us on YouTube, simply click on subscribe and make sure you ring the bell, click on it, and select all notifications. That way you won't miss our latest video updates. On Facebook, it's just as easy. Just go to click on follow. It no longer says like, it now says follow. Thank you.
To sign up for our important and emergency text message service, text K5 PBMA to the number 555-888 to sign up for elementary campus texts. Text 612 PBMA to the number 555-888 to sign up for the secondary campus text messages. Please make sure you have filled out the online application for free and reduced lunch if you haven't done so already. The application should be filled out by all parents, whether you think your family qualifies or not. The application gives families access to many services, including free eye exams and glasses, free summer camp, free testing such as SATs. In addition, the school receives additional funding to purchase supplemental materials and hire additional staff members based upon the application. The application and breakfast and lunch menus can be found on our website. Please go to the Parents tab to Forms and Links. Scroll down to the food service links. Please like Palm Beach Maritime on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be informed of the newest information. I'm Mrs. Cooper, and this is Bailey. Thanks for watching, and remember, an engaged parent is a great parent.